Hello and welcome to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. This is the Introduction to JavaScript section, Lesson 3, Console. And it tells us we can't do much programming with our knowledge of types right now. So let's build something cool. Let's learn how to ask JavaScript to talk to us. To do this, we need two things. 1. A way to ask JavaScript to talk. 2. Something for JavaScript to say. We can ask JavaScript to print words to the console with this line of code. And that's the line of code, Console.log, start parentheses, start quote, your message here, end quote, end parentheses, semicolon. Notice that this here is a string because it is inside quotes. And the string says your message here. So in human speak, this is saying, hey console, please print log this thing inside the parentheses. Bye, thanks. By writing this line, we've also solved the second thing we need, something for JavaScript to say. We can put a string, number, or boolean, or any data type inside the parentheses of a console.log statement. So 1, use console.log to log a string of your favorite pizza topping. So we can do that here. Console.log and then our favorite pizza topping inside of quotes, bacon. And we can't forget the semicolon. So when I press run here, I should get bacon logged onto the console. So if I press run here, as you guys can see, we log bacon. Come back over here. Now we're part 2. It says we can log multiple things at once by separating them with commas like this. And they show us how to log multiple things at once, separated by a comma. So we can add a second string. Let's see if it gives us something else. Do you use console.log to print out 2 of your favorite pizza toppings? Plural. And I think that's, once we do that, it'll be it. So we're doing a second pizza topping here. So second pizza topping could be added in there by separating with a comma, and then we could add like bell peppers. Okay, once we run this, we could see bell peppers also printed out. But you could see it's all together. If you guys wanted to separate it with commas, you guys can add a comma inside the string. Now you have bacon bell peppers. Let's say you wanted to do 2 bacon, 3 bell peppers. I don't know if that makes any sense, but as you guys can see, let's say you want to add the number but not make it a part of the string. You can actually add that outside of here. Add a comma, and that would be a 2, which is a number type, and then it prints out bacon, which is a string, and you guys can tell because in the console it is inside of quotes. So the number 2 is different here than here the number 3, or if we made this a 2 also. This is a number data type, and this 2 here is part of our string, which says 2 bell peppers. It's all one data type, a string. And this is just a number. That's pretty much it for this lesson. We run it, it prints it out to the screen. And as you guys can see, we passed 1 and 2. And that is it for this lesson.